This tutorial guides you through the process of uninstalling the SignageTube Live plugin from your system. Before starting, ensure you have administrative access to your device and have saved any work, as uninstalling applications may require system permissions and could affect running processes. Right-click on the search result to open the context menu for further options. Click Installed Apps to view all applications currently installed on your device. Scroll down to locate SignageTube Live. Click the three dots to reveal additional settings related to the selected application. Click Uninstall to initiate the removal process of the SignageTube Live plugin. Confirm the uninstallation by clicking Uninstall again when prompted. Click Yes to approve the uninstallation and allow the process to complete. You can now see that the SignageTube Live is not listed anymore at the installed apps. You have successfully uninstalled the SignageTube Live plugin by following the sequential steps to remove the application and verify its removal.